Appreciate your attention for just a few minutes.
I think like the more devices you have, the more stressful TSA is. I put the batteries in my pocket, which is weird because like the batteries of the Vision Pro always has to be attached to the actual device. Finally got to boarding and I was basically just watching TikTok. I wonder if everyone was like, who is this weirdo wearing this Vision Pro and getting onto this plane? But I did not care. I even tried to block out the background, which was crazy because I could actually bump into people, but I quickly took it away because I do not want to bump into anyone, especially wearing this very huge cool goggles. I got to the plane, I turned on airplane mode, and I was just exploring how to use it on the device. It's crazy because like if you don't turn on airplane mode, this device would not work at all. So I had to do that, and it just made me look weird using this device on the plane. I'm super glad that no one sat directly beside me, at least, because I wouldn't want to make them uncomfortable. Anyways, yeah, it's crazy because like you could just like change your background and just like block things away. So it makes you feel like you're less on a plane and more of like you're in a different place. You could go to Arizona, you could go to California, you could even go to the moon, you know. And I was just trying to decide which background I wanted to be. Yeah, it's crazy because you could really go to the moon. And it felt very, very realistic. It's actually crazy how realistic it felt. It felt like it really teleported you into a whole different environment, and it just made me feel like very relaxed that I wasn't on a plane. It made me feel like I've traveled to a different destination. But anyways, I decided to watch some movies. So I think it's very important like you download movies if you're trying to use this on a plane when you're traveling with the Vision Pro. So I downloaded all my movies because apparently the movies take a very long time to download on the Vision Pro. Maybe because like the data is just heavier. I'm not very sure. But anyways, I downloaded the movies I wanted to watch. I'm watching low-key and I can have enough movies to watch on this 5-hour flight. I know, yeah, very, very long flight. Yeah, I was able to move it around the plane. It had this very cinematic effect. It just felt like I was not on the plane, so I think that's a big plus. Even my neighbor sitting right beside me, I couldn't see her, but I'm very sure she was like, what's this person doing? Just like moving their hands around the plane and touching things in the air. This is how it looked from my point of view. I got some drinks from the flight attendant and kept using the device. I downloaded some other movies as well. Even like books. I had some books to read on the plane. I think in most apps you have on your iPhone, you also have on the Vision Pro. So I was able to like use my book app to watch movies. And I had some anime as well, One Piece and Solo Leveling. I absolutely love anime, so I had to download some to watch on the plane as well. So I think I had all my entertainment set up for the flight, and that was the main thing I wanted to do. But at some point, I just got really tired of wearing this for a long time, and I was also quite sleep deprived. So after like about 2 hours or 3 hours of like watching movies and reading books, I finally took a nap. I just turned it off and I took a nap. And that was it. I arrived at my destination safely in Washington, D.C. And yeah, I just needed to get some sleep because I think using this headset for too long can actually give you a headache. So yeah, those are my takes traveling with the Vision Pro. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Thank you.